Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be talking about the benefits of toners, the different types of toners, and we'll be making an easy 2-ingredient toner that is perfect for the summer. This is all the ingredients we'll need today, so let's get started. So toners are water-based liquids applied to the skin typically after cleansing. They are beneficial for removing leftover residue, restoring natural pH levels, and giving a temporary tightening effect on the skin and follicle openings. So soften the skin and allow for better absorption of other products. You may not know, but there are 3 types of toners, what we call our typical toner, an astringent, and a freshener, and they all have different properties. So an astringent is a type of toner with the highest alcohol content. It's best for oily and acne-prone skin. However, because of its high alcohol content, it can be drying and should be used carefully. Witch hazel is a really popular ingredient to include in an astringent toner. A normal toner also may have a high alcohol content, but they are mainly used for normal and combination skin. They also help to tone and tighten the skin. And lastly, a freshener, which is what we'll be making today, is an alcohol-free toner. It can also be called a refreshing lotion, but it contains botanicals and hydrators to soothe the skin. So I'm going to be using a 4-ounce amber glass bottle to protect our product from light radiation. So chamomile is a popular soothing agent for the skin. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties are what help to soothe the skin while reducing redness and blemishes. It helps to bring out an inner glow and even fade dark spots and under eye circles. I am just gently crushing the chamomile flowers while I'm adding them. Of being a natural toner for the skin, orange blossom water is rich in calcium, which contributes to antioxidant production and can help repair dry skin. For oily skin, orange blossom water can help control the excess oil production where you apply it. It performs so well as a toner as it removes the dirt and dead cells of your skin and keeps your skin toned and moisturized, because even oily skin can be dehydrated. As you can see, it has some really nice chamomile flowers in there. This is what I will usually put into the freezer or in the fridge, excuse me. All that stuff is that nice chamomile. Really pretty. So I shake it up. And again, this orange blossom water is really nice for the summer. It's very refreshing, so I shake it up. And I put a lot. I just let it sit on my face until it is done doing its job, because it will literally set into your skin, and do that. So you see, you can even spray some on your neck. It's blazing hot out here. Just gives you this nice glow. And once it sets into your skin, it's going to be perfect. Super hot. So I'm going to be sweating regardless. And I just finished working out. But I do want to show you guys how I use these. And that's how easy it is to make this 2-ingredient toner. I absolutely love this for the summertime. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss another video. And I'll see you guys next week.